first, let's talk about what's all done to the car. I have a stage 2 cam, which is like a Spartan Plus cam. It's pretty mild. It definitely works. I have heads, have a intake manifold, which is port matched to the head. I got gears. I got a transmission tune. I got a dyno tune. I got long tubes. I got 180 T-stack. What else I got? I think that's pretty much it, to tell you the truth. I got a SRT hood with the insert cut out so I can get maximum airflow to cool down my motor. It's like 50 horsepower. So LOL. Let's see. I bought my long tubes off eBay for what? $160 back in, I want to say 2017 or 2018. And then I went a while, just, you know, long tube, straight pipe, I throw a clip in. And then a few months later, or I want to say like a year later, I think, I cammed my car. I had the cam, the hardened push rods, and the springs from my boy Jackson, I'm tripping, my bad. Jackson, Skrilla. Jackson, my fault, Jackson. My fault. But yeah, I bought it from him. So, I got long tubes and my cam. Long tubes was $160. My cam kit was like $400. Alright, do the math. And then I had copped some, what I get next? I got the rear end, my gears and shit like that. I bought that from this guy in Kansas that I met off Craigslist. I was just searching online, looking for parts and just, you know, looking for cars to buy. Not like I'm really buying. I be bullshitting on buying other cars. I don't know why. Oh, I know why. Cause I buy the shit for this motherfucker too much. But yeah, I found him online, met up with him, and got the rear end. I got the axles, the diff, or I want to say, what I paid? I want to say 200. And then I had met back up with him again, and then bought the drive shaft. That was $50. So let's say about 250. Spent about 250 for the rear end. And then I had got my gears installed. When I got them things installed, I found this other guy, like south of Springfield, Missouri. He's probably like what, an hour from Springfield. And I had bought the intake manifold for what, I want to say 200 or 250, one or two, but I think it was 200. Drove probably like 3 hours to go grab that, an hour and a half that way and an hour and a half back, so 3 hours. And then my motherfucking tire blew. So that was irritating. Got that thing, threw it on my stock heads like a dumbass. I lost horsepower because like the ports didn't match up, so it was like bottlenecking the fucking airflow, so it was fucking me up with that. This RT300, you don't want to smoke, bro. See your ass over there. I'm spinning. After I had bought the manifold, I threw it on or whatever. And then I hit up my guy from Kansas again, and I got some heads from him. Some performance heads. And I basically, you know, kept them things for a while and just didn't really do shit to them. I ain't even put them on, I just had them, you know, on the desk at work. Hold on. Can't shake this RT, bro. This is 6.1, weak ass. Is that blue or is that black? That look bluish black. That's a paint. That's a paint job. That look kind of hard. Just a little bit. But yeah, the heads were sitting around for like 2-3 months. I finally port matched it to my intake manifold, and then I put them on in what, September. Threw them on, I was straight, and then my car blew a head gas, as y'all seen in the last videos. And the heads was cheap as fuck too. You gonna run a red light? Damn, my nigga official. Yep. This fucking turn is crazy. Turn off. So after I got everything put on, my heads, my intake, my gears, my motherfucking cam and shit, I finally went to go get a dyno tune. I ain't telling y'all my horsepower. Y'all can just kill it with that. I ain't telling y'all nothing. Just know it's over 400 to the wheel. It was low fours at first when I first got a dyno. Then I went back and increased compression ratio, and then bumped up horsepower, but you know, it kind of puts you into spec how much power I'm making to the wheel. Car people would know, who can estimate it, I mean, but. So, total price of building my car, long tools, $160. Cam, $400. Manifold, I think it was 200, 250, 1 or 2, 200, 250, I'm just say 250, fuck it. Gears, 250. Heads, what I pay for heads, I want to say 150, 160, something like that. So heads, 150, 160. So y'all do the math, y'all know what it is. I would say I spend probably like around $1,100, $1,200 on my actual go fast parts. I don't know, I feel like I'm missing something. I feel like I spent about $2 grand on like go fast parts. And that's including fluids, dyno tunes, which was $650. My regular, what is it, email tune through Stu from Inertia Motorsports. It was cool people though. I fuck with them. That was what, 300, 350, something like that. But yeah, I'm just round up and just say $2 grand on everything to get my car this fucking fast. And to be honest, my car not even that fast to me, to tell you the truth. I got problems with like hooking that. That's my biggest problem. I can't hook for shit. Shit, I'm gonna eat. I'm fleet.
I'm poppin'. 9 minutes running, if you don't know it, hit my pockets. Hey, my bro, take that Draco and go violent. Tryna go up, don't come in contact with that violence. Violence should be played how I'm silent. Comic well, she like, what picture? That ain't my fish. Side of the bayou, I won't take it out to New York. Nigga sign with hybrid. I flash out and take his head around his body. I never once showed you that side, but that's who I is. How I know, I let that daddy spit on college. If I die right now, just check the sex and see how I did. I'm a real street nigga, yeah. I just put my red eye out and tried to stop a nigga.
Where you going?
I just walked outside my house and I'm gonna shot a nigga. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged. Stepping in blood with these thugs and I can't panic. Yeah, we knocked them off, nigga, what they got a hand. I just took a flow and on the block and took the top off. Talking all this top, I go by top, I get them knocked off. See them youngins hopping out that Benz, that's some drop offs. They was hating, I knocked them out by Benz, that ain't mommy hoes, wait on me to fall. I walk in clip, they ain't asked to fuck with P up in my drawers. Bitch, I'm drunker than a fuck, I need some Tylenol. I gon' mess with bitch, but I shoot it all of y'all. I left every P with KQ and I spit it all. Talking proper as the fuck with my head off. Talking proper as the fuck with my head
race me, bitch. Let me slow down. Let me slow down. I'm slowing down. 72. Get on side of me. Get on side of his ass. No, get over there. Come on. What you want to do? You want to run?
Cook that shit up quick.
Ain't no way. And that's the RT.